In order to clean your LED monitor or the monitor of your computer or laptop, you need a cleaning solution which contains alcohol and water and a microfiber. So the first thing you need to do is to spray an enough amount of cleaning solution to your microfiber cloth to make it damp. Warning, do not directly spray any liquid or the cleaning solution to the monitor of your computer since it might damage the monitor's functionality. Always remember to gently wipe the surface of your computer's monitor or screen. By doing it, you can remove the dusts and other debris on your computer screen or monitor that might damage or that might cause future problem when you don't do it. And now for cleaning your laptop's keyboard, you need to use again the cleaning solution that contains alcohol and water, a microfiber cloth, and a brush. So this brush is used to sweep the dusts and to remove some debris that your microfiber cloth can't. So the first thing again you need to do is to put an enough amount of the cleaning solution to your microfiber cloth, and warning, do not directly spray again your cleaning solution or any other liquid on your keyboard since it might affect your keyboard's functionality. Now, gently wipe your keyboard using damp microfiber to remove dusts and other debris. Doing this procedure helps your computer not to have a stuttering key or a clicky or stocky key. Now, it's time to use brush to remove the dusts and the debris that was left on the keyboard that the microfiber cannot remove. And now, you're done cleaning your keyboard. Since I don't have any mouse, I'll just use the touchpad of my laptop to clean it. So, just like the way on cleaning the monitor and the keyboard of your laptop or computer, use a cleaning solution that contains water and alcohol and also a microfiber. And then put an enough amount of cleaning solution to your microfiber cloth and then gently wipe it on the touchpad. Again, do not directly put any liquid or spray any liquid such as cleaning solution to your touchpad because it might affect the functionality of your touchpad. I'm gently wiping my touchpad with a damp microfiber cloth. And now I'm done cleaning my laptop.
Preventive maintenance in computer system through software. The first way is to uninstall unnecessary apps. Uninstalling unnecessary apps helps your computer or laptop to have more free storage and to avoid the possibility of having values that specific app may carry. So, to uninstall unnecessary app or unnecessary apps, go to taskbar and click or select the file icon, which is the File Explorer. And then on the left side of the screen, go to this PC and click it. And go to uninstall or change a program found on the upper part of your screen and select it. And now, you have the freedom to uninstall unnecessary apps or apps that you don't need to use. Mine is Wattpad. So, to uninstall unnecessary apps or to uninstall Wattpad, in my case, the first thing you need to do is to click that specific app and then select uninstall and uninstall again. Now, it says that my Wattpad app is now uninstalled. So, to check if it is already uninstalled, go to search bar and type Wattpad. As you can see on my settings, there's no Wattpad app, so it means that my Wattpad app is already uninstalled. And that's how you uninstall unnecessary apps or apps that you don't need to use in your laptop or your computer. The second way to do preventive maintenance in your computer system is the virus scanning. Scanning your computer helps your computer to find if there are any threats or viruses that may affect your computer's functionality. So to do virus scanning, go to the right part of your taskbar where you can see an upper arrow that shows hidden icons, and look for the icon that looks like a shield with a check. There are some cases that this Windows security icon can be seen on the right part or on the taskbar, so you don't need to go to hidden app or the upper arrow to find it. But in my case, you need to go to an upper arrow to go through it or to find it. And after you click it, you can now go to Virus and Threat Protection and do quick scan. Doing quick scan help your computer to know if there are any threat or if there are any virus on your computer, because this virus and threat detection can affect the way your computer works, and it can do some problems regarding on the software of your computer. After the quick scan on my files and apps and my computer or laptop, the result came, which is that there are no current threats on my computer. And the last thing you need to do in doing preventive maintenance in your computer system through software is Windows Update. Updating your Windows helps your computer system and its app to work more efficiently than the previous updates. So to update your Windows, go to the left part or the most left part of your taskbar, which is the start icon, and click Settings and go to Update and Security. And then go to Check for Updates and select it. So now, my computer is currently checking if there are any updates that my computer system needs to do. And now, the result came, which is there were no updates on my computer and my window is the latest Windows on my laptop or PC. And that's the 3 ways on how to do preventive maintenance in your computer system through software.